we have subtraction of polynomials. In parentheses we have two terms, so these polynomials are binomials. And first, what we have to do, we have to take down the parentheses. So, and we have to check the sign before parentheses. When we don't have sign, it means it's positive. So when we have positive sign, we have to just rewrite whatever we have in parentheses. So this is x plus y. Next, we have negative sign. When we have negative sign, we have to change the sign every term in parentheses. When we don't have sign, here is positive x. So we have positive, so because we have negative sign before parentheses, so now will be negative, copy x. We have positive y, so because we have negative sign before parentheses, so now will be negative, and we copy y. One more time, in other words, here is like invisible 1. We have to multiply every expression in parentheses by negative 1. Negative 1 times x give me negative 1x. It's like invisible, we don't have to write. And negative times positive, here is like visible 1. So negative times positive is negative. So now we have to combine the like terms. We have x, and we have y and y. X minus x, we can reduce. This is 0. And y and negative y, this is 0. So the answer will be 0.